In today's AI era, few skills are very important to learn for everyone who wants to build a career in AI. And learning how to make AI automations is one of the most important skill from all of them. Because in this era, every company wants these automations for their day-to-day tasks like invoice generation, customer support, and much more. So, if you learn how to make these AI automations, you can easily sell them to companies and they can pay you a very good amount for it. Hello everyone, my name is Kaustav Chakravarti and today I will show you an AI automation which I make for myself. So let's get started. So if you know, in today's AI era, stay up to date with AI, how much important this is. So I make an AI automation for this so I can stay up to date with AI every time. So let's go to my computer screen and I will show you how I make it and how it really works. So I am on my computer screen and I will show you how I make this automation. So I am currently on my NA10 account and this is the automation that I make for stay up to date with AI newses. So you can see here is a first module which is a schedule trigger which I select at a specific time like weekly up to, weekly one for weekly one day, like it triggers on every 7 days later, on a specific time like I selected for 8 a.m. at morning. So whenever my laptop is on, yes, you this must be your laptop is on for it or your system is on for this. So it automatically triggers on 8 a.m. on the morning after every 7 days according to my selection. Then when it triggers, it automatically goes on this second module which is a code in JavaScript, like JavaScript module. Here I add few links of few websites, like I will show you. Here are three websites links for AI news. So whenever this schedule trigger, it automatically goes through the links and collect the data from it, like collect the news from it, and it sends this news to this loop section. Here it is also also another module which can check those data and pass through this loop uh, pass through this loop output, which then when it pass through it when the data pass through this loop output, it will go to the split out module, um, which which is which split out the data, like there are many datas on the website, so it split out every data one by one. And then it go to the RSS read module, which reads this data and sends back to the this loop. Like whenever it this RSS read sends any data, RSS read module read any data, it sends back the data to this loop, and that data will add to the done output. Then this data which is on done output is go through this AI agent, which is basically an summarizer. You can what I add here, which is basically a summarizer, and I used Olama chat model for it because Olama chat model is a free model which you can use for anything, so that any token cost you nothing for it. So this data automatically go through this AI agent, and this AI agent will summarize that data, and then all data will aggregate together, like all data which are splitted out all comes together, and then it then this aggregated data will go to my mail automatically. Like if I start this module, let you guys see that what happened when I start this module. Like when I start this workflow, what happened. So basically it will take few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes, because there are too many data to retrieve from these websites. How it depends on the links of your website, how many links you provide to it, because uh, more websites give more data, and it will takes a particular time to read them, and AI agent will need a particular time to summarize them from that data. In these three websites there are many newses, many data, many articles. So you can see there are 95 items which are here. So this AI agent needs some time to summarize those all 95 items. So you can see there that how many items passed through it until now and how many are remaining. Like there are, you can see 68 data sets, like 68 items will pass through it, and remaining, and few more are remaining. Like you can calculate this how many remaining. So there are few more remaining. I will see you after this will run. So the summarization is about to complete through this AI agent. So you can see the last one is left, I think. So okay, the summarization is complete through AI agent. Now it will send the email. It will aggregate. I mean, you it combine all the data and send it to my email account which I gave it. So if I open my mailbox, you can see, yes, this is, you can see there is a email called me, because it will send through my email to my email. So the sender is my email and the receiver is also my email account. So you can see is there is a email called daily summaries. So there you can see the all articles summarization is here. So it's a long summary because there are too many data, too many articles on it. So it depends on how much data on it. So it will retrieve the current data, because I run this a few weeks ago again. Then there was the data was different on that time, and this time the data was will different, because this will up to date it. So there you can see, you can you no need to go through any links and read the articles fully from it. You can easily make an AI automation like this, so you can get the AI daily AI news automatically through it. You don't need to surf on internet and read through various links. So that's for today's video. If you have any doubt about this AI automation or anything about this, so make sure you ask it in the comment section. And if you want to connect with me, I will give the my account links like Instagram or LinkedIn links in the description. You can go through it. So that's for today. See you in the next video. Till then, see ya.